Welcome to my channel. Today we getting ready to make some butterfly drumsticks, some sauteed kale, and some yellow rice. So right now what I want to do is I am going to show y'all how to make the marinade for the butterfly drumsticks. We're going to go ahead and throw some garlic in here. We're going to put in some chopped red peppers. We're going to squeeze in some lemon juice from half of a lemon. I'll put in a little bit of red pepper flakes. We got some Garam masala. This is like a mixture. Some Garam masala, which is like a mixture of paprika, chilies, salt, turmeric, garlic, and saffron. So we're going to put some of this in here. Italian seasoning. I got some parsley. Onion powder. And we got garlic powder. Chicken seasoning in there, just a little bit. We got some pepper. We got some fresh cilantro. And then we're going to pour in some honey. And then just a little bit of browning. I'm going to butterfly these drumsticks. Just open them up. Cut that off. That's fine. This little blood, we just going to rinse this off. So we're going to start to marinate these drumsticks. Just kind of move them around, get them fully coated. So now we're getting ready to put our drumsticks in a skillet. And this is how much marinade we got left. We're going to save this because we're going to use it for a sauce to put the drumsticks in. at the end. So now we're getting ready to flip these drumsticks. See how nice and brown they are. So now that our chicken is brown, we're gonna put it on this wax paper. We're gonna bake it the rest of the way so that the inside can get done. I just like to get a nice little color on it before I put it in the oven. So I had to move my skillet over to the oven because my burner is kind of not working right. But after I put the lemons in, I'm gonna just put a little bit of this bouillon powder in here too. And then some more of this garam masala. And bring it up to a boil so the sauce can start thickening up. And then we gonna take the chicken out. Now we done put the chicken back into the sauce. And even though the chicken is basically done, we just gonna just let it simmer so that the chicken can soak up the juice. Then I'm gonna just throw in this homemade herb butter that I made. Throw a couple of pieces of that in there. So for the sauteed kale, just gonna put a little bit of oil in the skillet. Gonna do some onion, garlic. I never have too much garlic. Well, I mean you can, but I pretty much love garlic. You don't have to put as much garlic as I use. And that was just peppers, red and orange and yellow peppers with the onions and the garlic. So before I put the kale in, I'm gonna just kind of let this saute. Got some garlic powder, onion powder, Italian seasoning, some red pepper flakes, and green seasoning for the kale. And then I'll adjust the seasonings, once the kale get in there and get cooked down. So once this kale start wilting down, then I'm gonna put some broth in it and just kind of let it go until it start getting pretty much tender.